Good morning, everyone. Today is the 14th of August, 2017. It's a Monday morning. Market's just about to open here. I'll be back. There's the bell. Market is open. Let's see what she wants to do here today. Just sitting here watching it. Just watching it. Still just watching it. Okay, looking for shorts in the very near horizon here. Hey, got in with a short right here. There we go, got a nice push down. Okay, there's a gift, and I went long. Okay, we're pushing up. Target is way up here. About 11 points away. And that's an 85% chance of hitting target. Here we go, pushing up nicely. About not even quarter way to target yet. Got a ways to go. Okay, just watching it meander sideways here. Down 2 nuggets, a little more than 2 nuggets. Might just get out at break even. It could take a while to get up to target, so just kind of taking that into consideration, the time element. See what happens. That's my thoughts right now. Getting out at break even. Okay, here's the plan. Right here is more or less break even in this vicinity. I'm going to exit here, and if it shoots above this level, I will go long again, because the target is actually way up here for the morning, and I really don't feel like messing around with it as long as it's in a consolidation phase right here, just kind of going sideways. That could go on, till end of the market today. But if it should break out somewhat early, I'll consider going long. Still 10 points to target. So it all depends on how things fall into place here. It's going to determine the outcome of my decision. Alright, target is filled. Got my dome back to 0. And like I said, if it breaks above here, I'm going along. But I'm going to keep an eye on it and see what develops and take it from there. But for right here, right now, I'm at break even. And as far as I know right now, I'm going to call it a day. Bye-bye. Okay, here we go. Seconds later, we shot up past this high. This is what I was watching, the area I was watching. We closed above that, so I went long, and the target is up here. About 8.5 points away. Only an 85% chance of hitting it this time, rather than the previous day's 95. It's a difference in what it has already done that determines the probability factor, the ratio. So what's happened this morning, it only dropped Well, it dropped from a 95 down to an 85% probability, but still, it's you know, it's not shabby. So let's see what happens here. Okay, we came back for a retest here. I added on just now. Okay, we need to break above this prior high right there. Once we have a ball that closes above there, we're home free. And there we have it, we're home free. We had a ball on a bar that closed above there. Awesome. Nice breakout. There we go, pushing up nicely to first target. About 3/4 of the way there. Second target is still where it was before. Right now it's on autopilot. I am at break even plus a couple, so it can do whatever it wants to do. I'm not going to have a red dome today. I could give a little bit back, but I do believe we are going to hit target number 1 and target number 2. I'm just giving it the resources and the freedom to do it at its leisure, and I'm giving it plenty of breathing room. Just taking that 85% into consideration. So, let's see what happens here. I'm going to grab profit at the tippy top here, double top. I do expect it to break through that and go to the ultimate target up here, but just going to take some off the table right here. We should hit target this time. We've had all these attempts. Bam, bam, bam. This one is going to go because if you look at the difference here, here's where the BBs are. Here's how far they came up. If you look at the same height here, basically, BBs only went up this far. You can see what I'm talking about. The BBs went up, but they only went up that far. Here the BBs went up, and look at how far they went. So they're making progress, where back here, they never had a chance. So here, I believe we're going to hit target. Okay, I covered half right here. Looked like we were having a little hesitation, and rather than take a chance, I just covered half. Still a break even with the other half. The other target is still up here, but dome is definitely green, and it'll stay green even if it comes all the way back. Still got a green dome. Okay, target's been hit while I was in class here. Got a substantial dome out of the deal, but I was in class and noticed that we're running out of steam, and chances are we weren't going to hit target by market close, so chose to take everything off the table here and call it a day. But what is transpiring here is the market is 3 points shy of target, and it actually has until market open tomorrow to fulfill that obligation of hitting target. So there's a real good chance tomorrow morning when we come to the charts, we're going to see that the price had hit this area. But very often it does not hit it during the day that we're trading before the market close. So we just had to take that into consideration. But anyway, it was a long day here. Had a short here, made a gift, went long, covered, and as it peekabooed above this pivot, I went long again and added on because that's what told me it was going to head up towards target. And I let it ride for the most of the day here. It covered half and covered the other half a little bit later, and market closed in this vicinity here. So anyway, you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.